An intrepid viewer asked me how many drops are in one cup. That's the best I can do for a cup. And so here's the thing. If you have drops, it really matters what you're dropping in there. So for water, typically when we talk about drops of water, we're talking about 0.05 milliliters per drop, although it depends a little bit on how you're doing the drop, what type of dropper you have, but this is the average. If you have something like an essential oil or another liquid, it probably won't be 0.05. But for water, this is what we're going to go with. And in one cup, there are 240 milliliters. So what we need to do is divide 240 by 0.05. And if you do that, what you find out is that there are 4,800 drops in one cup of water. And if someone wants to test that and leave a comment, I'd appreciate it. But 4,800 drops, that's about how many drops of water, if you sat there and dropped them in a cup, you'd have when your cup of water was full. That's it. I hope this is helpful. It's Dr. B, and thanks for watching.